Good evening. Me patrol way a quick answer. I way a quick answer. Me cry my phone says na it could be a net 2 TV. And I may say Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. I can't send be a me person me bab on ten and me be clarify. But your way a quick answer. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong eti net 2 TV says di matem can't say ma minim hoshe. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, Mr. Me pacho. I am not blackmailing anybody. I am not blackmailing anybody. Please, I am not blackmailing anybody. What is all this? Adena sebe mpenifu amu betimi aye me papa. Mo temte me sa. What is all this? Dia ya di mini me madudu a di mini omo mu di mini mi chele wote na wo kan. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, me interview bi am come life story o. Me free baby na ma pie baby o. Me free baby na ma be pie baby o. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, enye me fiti ya na me be Tracey Boakye o. E na me podan na me wo. I am not blackmailing anybody. Please. I am not blackmailing anybody. Say next time oye be ma lodi na mahama bonani so. Don't create problem for me. A plus ni me da A plus oye kwata. Ana A plus ni na bubu. Ana me a virgin. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, me nya virgin o. Me nya virgin. I have sex. I go out. I have boyfriends. Why do you go and sit on your TV and insult me? Why? Obia a video. Go and take your baby. I'm coming. Put this in your mouth. I'm coming. Okay. Obia a video, and you just judge by the video and say all sort of things to me. Sit on your TV. I crack it to me TV. So I know if I respond to you, people will bring info to you. I don't care. Kennedy Agyapong, me a virgin. I am not a virgin. I date. Of course, me dating me a relationship. But why do you sit on your TV and insult me? I didn't know who did my say stupid girl na chelewate. And so what? After all, chelewate na mission. I am not like this today. By God's grace. You listen to one side of a story, come and sit on your TV and insult me. As in say me your classmate, Anna, you are a big man. I don't respect him, mommy and continue to respect him. Why? I don't respect him, mommy and continue. Now you respect him. Do you even have to have time for me? Me, oh yeah, I'm about to say me. Kennedy Agyapong, you don't have to have time for me. I'm a little girl. Me ya crack it to her. I am one of your daughters. You don't have to have me whole time to come and sit on TV and respond to me. What is the meaning of all this insult you are throwing at me? I am not blackmailing anybody. I am not blackmailing anybody. If you were man blackmail you be na me nya ye. Now be obe na no say me blackmail you be na me nya ye no. Me de ni sama ni me nya me. Me pese me bodua. Me pese me bodua na me fancy boafu me biem because already no dia me ya me guso me pa ho chew. Enti me pese me misbehave biem. Please leave me out of your issue. I am not a virgin. I am not married. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, me worry you. Enti se me ma 1,000 ni me ada eye me am body. I am not shy of it. Omo money ba enemy adani nyina wo keka no. Who me no am I still the Tracey Boakye you think you knew me? At least I've made good use of a DNA you did me no. So please, whatever A plus told you, maintain free A plus but you can believe it. Leave me alone. Kennedy Agyapong, leave me alone. What is the meaning of my blackmailing somebody? My blackmailing of young Tofio or Lakeside. My blackmailing of young Tofio or East Legon. Really? Do you think that is how I am? Is it because I've been quiet over this whole issue? Do you think that is how I am? If you are doing your politics, I want to know who did the NDC for attend that. What the NDC for a problem that? Leave my name out of it.